Hi, it's Mark Wallinger. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Dash Technologies.
So artificial intelligence is a scary word. So as a small and mid-sized business owner, I understand that you have a limited budget to spend and you are not sure really, should I spend this money in these technologies that you don't understand? I want you to go back in 1998. Whoever didn't catch up with the internet, they fall back in the business and they are nowhere to be found. And elite team who is knowledgeable in AI, ML and DS can understand your problem, understand the gap in your business and help you solve those problems and filling those gaps with the help of these technologies. Since you are involved in a day-to-day in business, the problems that you see are really complex for you. So just to give an example, just think about a manufacturing line. A lot of workers are working in a rhythm and trying to build something. In this kind of environment, in a manufacturing environment, technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science can be a game changer. Because the CFOs, the executives are trying to figure out where they can save money, how can they improve the efficiency. Those questions no one can answer before. But by just asking a Siri or Alexa or your own custom voice technology, you will have all these answers, how you can improve the efficiency, where are those pain points, who is the person that is stopping those manufacturing lines, assembly lines. Those answers can be produced by these amazing technologies. You are using these technologies in your home. Remember the last time you had a conversation with your Siri, with your Alexa, and you are using these technologies every single day. So with the help of custom voice technology and a machine learning who is working on behalf of you in a backend and gathering all this data and making sure that you get insightful knowledge out of this data, we can build algorithms that can tell you the story, that can give you the exact answers that you've been looking for forever.